Hello everyone! Please join me today while I'm preparing my travel essentials. First, let's start with the luggage. I'll be taking this carry-on luggage since I'll just be staying in Singapore for 3 days. This 20-inch suitcase can accommodate 7 to 10 kilos, which is within the requirement of carry-ons. Then this tote bag. I prefer taking a tote bag whenever I travel because this is considered as a personal item and it fits perfectly under the seat. Apart from that, it has spacious compartment. You can carry some of your travel essentials like your makeup kit, passport, phone, iPad, a portable fan, etc. I like its versatility too. You can match it with any outfits and to anywhere you go. Then shoes. All these shoes I got from Skechers because they're soft on the inside and it's good for walking. It's very important for us to choose the perfect pair of shoes that match with our itinerary as our feet are the primary mode of transport. Wearing tennis shoes could make you feel at ease even for 10,000 steps. Then I'll be carrying a lightweight pair of extra shoes that match with my summer dress. Start packing my clothes. I have chosen my outfits based on the places we plan to visit and activities we are to engage in. This is what I'm going to wear on the flight and all throughout the first day. We've got various destinations to visit until evening and we'll do a lot of walking. So I made sure that my outfits are cool and comfortable. This is a summer dress I got from H&M. This is what I'm going to wear after our jogging on the second day since we'll just be exploring Sentosa and the Oceanarium. Then of course my jogging wear, as we also plan to go jogging at Marina Barrage. Minimalist vest and jeans for the third day. Let's try it on. There isn't much to do on the third day, just exploring Singapore Zoo, then flying back to work. And my makeup kit. It's too sunny in Singapore, so I have to wear sunglasses, which I got from Mango. I'm also taking another pair of earrings, then masks to rejuvenate after a long day. Toning water and moisturizing milk. Biore for sun protection and my hair oil. By the way, I would like to add some carry-on rules regarding liquids. All liquids such as your cream, toner, lotion, oil, etc. should be within 50 to 100 ml. It can be less but not over, otherwise they might be confiscated and you will end up losing them. When you go to Singapore in the summertime, don't forget to bring a fan with you because it's gonna be super hot.